जन तो तेने कहीजे पीड पराई जाने रे.
महात्मा गांधींच्या याच शब्दांनी आम्हाला प्रेरणा दिली नव्या दृष्टीची, आम्हाला प्रेरणा दिली नव्या दृष्टिकोनाची.
अचूक चष्म्यांसाठी तब्बल 30 देशांमध्ये प्रसिद्ध असणारं एकमेव नाव जीकेबी हायटेक लेन्सेस यांच्या सहकार्यानं
सिंधुदुर्ग जिल्हा अंधमुक्तीसाठी आणि मोतीबिंदू मुक्तीसाठी सिंधुदुर्ग लाईव्हचं नवं अभियान.
तुमचं विजन आमचं मिशन. या अभियानात अत्याधुनिक यंत्रणा आणि तज्ञ डॉक्टरांमार्फत होणार मोफत नेत्र तपासणी, डायबिटीस तपासणी आणि रक्तदाब तपासणी.
चौथा कॅम्प 16 जानेवारी कुडाळ.
तसेच विशेष अतिथींच्या उपस्थितीत 30 जानेवारी रोजी होणार भव्य दिव्य असा मेगा आय कॅम्प,
जिथं मिळतील मोफत चष्मे आणि मोतीबिंदू ऑपरेशन कार्ड.
स्थळ वासुदेवानंद सभागृह, हॉटेल RSN च्या मागे कुडाळ.
वेळ सकाळी 10 ते 12.
ऑफिस संपर्क 023 63 272 191. मोबाईल 99 22 92 8081 94 04 94 01 91.
तुमचं विजन आमचं मिशन.
रेडी येथे गोगटे मिनरल्सने कामगारांसाठी आयोजित केलेल्या प्रथमोपचार प्रशिक्षण शिबिराचा डॉक्टर जॉर्सन फर्नांडिस यांच्या हस्ते शुभारंभ करण्यात आला. 14 ते 16 जानेवारी पर्यंत हे शिबिर असणार आहे.
दीपप्रज्वलनानं या शिबिराचं उद्घाटन करण्यात आलं. डॉक्टर दीपक मूर्ती यांनी प्रशिक्षण महत्त्वाचं असल्याचं सांगत प्रशिक्षण शिबिराला शुभेच्छा दिल्या.
Mr. Narayan Prasad, all my colleagues from Fomento, participants from Gokte Mines, Mandangad, I welcome all of you to this session to be conducted by Dr. Jorson Fernandez. Dr. Jorson Fernandez is not only a guide and the chairman for the St. John's Ambulance in Goa, but is also an eminent ENT surgeon who practices out of Madgaon and Konkoli. It's a proud privilege to be able to welcome him here. Mr. Banerjee and the rest of the team are well known to you. I urge all the participants to take full advantage of this 2-day course starting today and getting over on the 16th to ensure that you get a St. John's Ambulance certification, which is a mandated requirement for people serving in the mining areas, especially in the field of safety. I wish the course all the best.
PS बॅनर्जी यांनी प्रशिक्षण आयोजित केल्याबद्दल अभिनंदन करत प्रथमोपचार शिबिराचं महत्त्व पटवून दिलं. गंभीर जखमी असताना रुग्णाला प्रथमोपचार वरदान ठरू शकतो हेही त्यांनी सांगितलं.
Good morning once again, friends. I warmly welcome today's chief guest Kishore Saab, Deputy Director of Mine Safety, my colleague Dr. Murthy, Dr. Jorson, Colonel Sharma, Narayan, and the entire team of Maharashtra sitting here. It's really a proud privilege for me to welcome you all on this very important camp we are organizing today. Friends, I am not a doctor, but in our being in mining for such a long time, probably had given me some of the opportunities to learn how important is first aid in the overall injury management. I would just share one or two incidences. Beyond that, already our friend had talked about the 3 P's of first aid and all, so you know, and our doctors are here who are learned and highly knowledgeable about how to ensure those 3 P's. But what I had observed, I will take the two examples of two persons. In fact, I mean, yesterday only we are remembering one person. He is still here. His name is Chandrasekhar. Anyway, whatever be the name. Sometime back he came to find a work with us. But before that he had been in Nairobi for some time. He had gone there. Unfortunately, what happened while working over there, his right hand somehow got caught in a belt conveyor, in between a belt conveyor and a running idler. So what happened? He got an injury, and as usual, he got a first aid. So the doctor or maybe his friends, whoever had given him first aid, they had given him certain medicines, some pain relieving medicines and all, and they told that it's fine, you can take rest. What happened? After 6-7 days he started feeling some kind of numbness and pain in the right hand. So he was sent to their capital city, but they had examined him and then told that no, we can't do anything, you go back to India. So he was flown to Mumbai, and in one of the major hospitals he underwent a surgery. Doctor told that if you want to save your life, then your hands have to be amputated. And this all happened because almost after 10-12 days, it all happened because a right kind of diagnosis and first aid was not given to him, and slowly it started deteriorating, and ultimately he had to lose the hand. He had a great spirit, of course, mentally very strong. I salute his spirit. He's still working somewhere. This is one example, one extreme example. Another example I'm giving, which had happened long back in a coal mine. There was a blasting in an underground mine, and one fellow, unfortunately, he was basically not from our country. He was connected to a technology transfer program, so he was from some other country. He somehow got caught in the blasting and he received a severe injury. So severe injury in the sense he was not able to, the way I had seen him, he was not able to move at all. He was lying on the ground with later we came to know that the rib cages got broken, multiple injuries in the spinal cord, and what we saw, because I am not a doctor, exactly what had happened with him I can't say, but he looked totally, because he was a fair chap, so he looked totally black in the sense as if the coal dust particles had entered into his skin and remained all inside the skin. It was looking like it's not coming out of his skin if you just want to remove it. Within it's a matter of minutes actually, they had a kind of system here whereby they used to take care of their person's lives, especially if somebody meets with an injury and all. Their first aid was very well organized. Immediately what happened, that gentleman was put in a particular kind of, we used to call it a rescue pack, a kind of it's a sleeping suit kind of piece of maybe a equipment or machine, whereby slowly that person was lifted and put up, and with a pneumatically operated pump it is inflated and the body remains inside that, just as if a plastered body, and then he was immediately shifted out, just to avoid any kind of movement of the body after that injury. And within next, of course, hours, next few hours, almost 11-12 hours, he was flown out of the country. He went to one of the best medical care unit in his place. He underwent a surgery, because I had again met him after 4.5 months with so many major injuries, but absolutely fine, perfect. And again it is attributed to his quality of first aid given in the very beginning, which had probably saved not only his life, but he didn't have any sign of injuries post he came back. Of course, the later, the secondary and tertiary cares which were taken, definitely it's good, but the initial care is very important. So this repeatedly had, many such incidences had repeatedly forced me to at least even understand it and get convinced that the importance of first aid in the overall injury management, especially in mining, which is very, very dangerous, and anybody at any point of time can have an injury. But fact is that the people around him, when he gets an injury, should take care of him and give a proper right kind of first aid. While coming here, I was talking to Naran, and I was happy to note one thing, that probably today his total strength of first aid people, the ratio of first aid trained people to the total workforce is in the tune of 1:10, but he is striving hard to make it even 1:5 or maybe even less than that. So that's a great move, and this is a great opportunity that such a senior and very, very expert doctors are going to give you training on this important subject. So let's take full advantage of it, and I wish all the best of this endeavor, and please take it very seriously and learn as much as possible, because this is something which is a life-saving kind of knowledge, and it is not only helpful at your workplace, even beyond your off the workplace also it is equally important. I wish you again all the best.
डॉक्टर जॉर्सन फर्नांडिस यांनी आपल्याकडे असलेले ज्ञान कधी, कुठे व कसे वापरायचं हे सांगितलं.
The chief guest of this morning function, my worthy colleagues on the dais, dignitaries, my staff and gentlemen. There are three very important things that we must do to be successful. One amongst them is the knowledge of the subject. ज्ञान म्हणटा पळय आमी कोंकणीन. So that knowledge is very important. The second part of it is the skills, application of knowledge. ज्ञान घेतलो म्हणून जायना, तो कसो वापरपाचो, खंय वापरपाचो म्हणून तो कळपा जाय. So application of knowledge is what is called as a skill. And the third and the most important one is attitudes. So we have knowledge, skills and attitude. If you reverse it, you'll get an attitude, skills and knowledge. Ask principle in management. So if you want to be successful, you need to have all three. हे तिनूय गोष्टी आमकां गरजेच्यो. Knowledge and skills आमी दितले आनी एक 3 दिसांनी आमी वतले हांगाच्यान. After 3 days we will leave after we give you the knowledge and the skills. What we need to see from your end is the attitudes. Now what are these attitudes that we talk about? I'm telling you a small wisdom story so that you can understand. There was once a ship, it was a passenger liner. So all the passengers got on the ship, and then the captain started hooting. Everybody on the port side were crying because their relatives were now sailing. They will come after a year or 2. They were going on a voyage. So everybody was sobbing. Tears were rolling down their cheeks. They were very emotional. The ropes were being loosened up. The ladder was being withdrawn. And as the ship started hooting and drifting, it went almost about 100 meters in depth in the water. When it went about 100 meters, people were still looking at their relatives on board the ship. What happened was very unfortunate. A small little baby of 5 years of age slipped from the ship and fell in the waters. Everybody was upset. They knew that this baby is not going to survive. They knew that the baby is not going to fight the huge waves of this ocean. And they knew that the baby is going to pop up for the last time because of the air in the lungs. And that would be the last time it would pop up. And right enough, same thing happens. The baby pops up for the last time. And exactly at that moment when people shout and yell that the baby should be saved, a man was seen landing from the ship exactly where this baby popped up. So he catches hold of the baby and starts swimming in the water. The captain sees this and offers for a rope for the two of them. So the crow boy puts a rope. The gentleman catches hold of the rope, the baby in one hand, and the captain orders, "Tug them up!" And both of them being brought up. People's emotion changed. Baby's life was being saved. So they start clapping, they start whistling, they start cheering up. As the baby was brought on board the ship, the parents of this baby come, they hug the baby, they kiss the baby, and they thank this man profusely for saving the life of their child. The captain comes from the deck, he gives a big lovely bouquet for this man. and he looks at the huge crowd on the deck, and everybody was waiting to shake hands with the gentleman. So the captain says, see, there's going to be utter confusion and chaos. Everybody wants to shake hands with you. I don't want that chaos now. Instead of they coming and shaking hands, he gives him the megaphone and he says, why don't you make a small speech for all these people? So this gentleman takes the megaphone and he starts his speech. And what does he say? Before I speak, I want to know who is the rascal who pushed me from the ship. Ladies and gentlemen, this push cannot come from anyone over here, nor your managers. This push is the desire to help a human life, and that is what we call as humanity. That's what Attitudes is all about. I leave you with this thought. Let's enjoy our first day today, tomorrow and day after.
डॉक्टर डोकोपार्थी यांनी यावेळी उपस्थितांना मकर संक्रांतीच्या शुभेच्छा दिल्या. तसेच रेडी इथं आयर्न मायनिंग असल्यानं येथील कामगारांना प्रथमोपचार प्रशिक्षण मिळावं यासाठी हा कार्यक्रम रेडी गावामध्ये आयोजित केलाय असंही त्यांनी सांगितलंय. या शिबिराचा जास्तीत जास्त कामगारांनी फायदा घ्यावा असं आवाहनही त्यांनी केलंय.
मकर संक्रांति को हम लोग एक अच्छा फेस्टिवल बनाते हैं साउथ इंडिया में, जिस दिन में हम लोग एक अच्छा कार्यक्रम करना चाहते हैं. एक अच्छा न्यू थिंग्स विल कम टू दी हाउस. मीन्स हम लोग ये फेस्टिवल इसलिए बनाते हैं कि हमारा जो फसल है, नया थिंग्स या फसल हुआ या नया डिसीजंस जो हुआ या नया सामान हुआ है, सबको हम हमारा घर ले आते हैं. सो एक ऐसा वाला गुड डे के दिन हम लोग यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एड प्रोग्राम जो इनाग्रेट कर रहा है, तो एक नॉलेज के साथ में हम लोग हमारा घर ले जाएंगे. एक नॉलेज हमारा अपने हम लोग सीखेंगे. तो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग इज़ गोइंग टू बी हैपन फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स इन कमिंग 3 days. हम ये प्रोग्राम आयोजन करने से पहले हम ये सोचा है कि यहाँ पे क्यों, रेडी माइंस में क्यों करना है, ये माइंड में क्यों करना है. तो अगर करना हो तो आज की डेट में क्यों करना है. सो वी आर प्लानिंग दिस फ्रॉम पास्ट 2 months. हम लोग 2 महीने से हम लोग ये फर्स्ट एड ट्रेनिंग का प्रोग्राम करने का प्लान करते हुए आए हुए. बट वेराज कुछ दिक्कत के कारण, कुछ शेड्यूल्स सेट नहीं होने के कारण आज की डेट में फिर बहुत रिक्वेस्ट करने से मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से और हमारे तरफ से रिक्वेस्ट करने से डॉक्टर जॉर्सन साहब अभी 3 दिन का हमको टाइम दिया है, तो अभी मौका मिला है ये वाला. फिर रहा बात रेडी माइंस में क्यों, तो ये चीज़ है कि बहुत दिन के बाद में हम लोग आयरन ओर माइंस चालू करना मानसून के बाद में चालू किया है, और रिफ्रेशर ट्रेनिंग वगैरह भी नहीं हुआ है. तो काम करते समय जितना अपने को अलर्ट होना चाहिए, ये सब चीज़ जो है एक रिफ्रेशर के दौरान होना चाहिए अपने को. सो उसी लाइन में अभी जितना वर्कमैन है उन लोगों में से भी फर्स्ट एड ट्रेनिंग करना भी एक आवश्यकता के महसूस किया गया है. तो जैसे साहब ने बताया है कि अभी जो है 1:10 के रेशियो पे आपका यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एड होल्डर्स है, तो वो उसको 1:5 के रेशियो में ले आएंगे और उससे भी कम ले आएंगे. तो ये एक यही माइन में नहीं है, सभी माइंस ने अपना अपना एरिया में अपना अपना लोकेशंस में इसको अपनाना चाहिए. तो क्या ज़रूरी है ये फर्स्ट एड ट्रेनिंग वर्कमैन को, क्या ज़रूरी है अभी. तो हम लोग ऑलरेडी माइंस में जब काम करते समय मोस्ट ऑफ द हजर्डियस थिंग्स में या नहीं तो अगेंस्ट टू नेचर हम लोग या नहीं है तो मोस्ट हजर्डियस एक्टिविटीज़ में इन्वॉल्व होते रहेंगे. जैसा गाड़ी चलाते समय या नहीं है तो कोई ड्रिलिंग करते समय या ब्लास्टिंग करते समय. यहाँ पे रेडी में तो ब्लास्टिंग है नहीं, मोस्ट ऑफ द एरियाज़ में ब्लास्टिंग है, माइंस में ब्लास्टिंग है नहीं. बट ये जो हजर्डियस एक्टिविटीज़ में जब काम करते समय हम लोग को छोटा मोटा चोट लग जाता है. तो चोट लगने से ही ये नहीं है, तो इमीडिएटली उसका रेमेडियल मेजर्स क्या होना चाहिए अपने को. तो जो बेसिक फर्स्ट एड देने से मेजर एडवर्स इफेक्ट होने को हम लोग रोक सकता है. सो इसका इम्पोर्टेंस यह है कि एक लाइफ सेविंग हो सकता है. इसका फर्स्ट एड ट्रेनिंग में ये होने से, ट्रेन होने से लाइफ सेविंग हो सकता है. तो एडवर्स इफेक्ट्स जितना है उसको हम लोग रोक सकता है. ये एक ही नहीं है, ये एक सेफ्टी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में अपना क्या बोलते हैं कॉन्फिडेंस को बढ़ाता है. जब आप ट्रेंड है आपके साथ में काम करने वाला को और आपका भी कॉन्फिडेंस बनाता है. इट विल गिव्स ए गुड एनवायरनमेंट, ये बहुत अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करेगा. सो आने वाले दिन में आपको ये ट्रेनिंग के साथ में जितना भी आपको सिखाया जाएगा वो सब अपना अपना काम में उसको आपको ट्रेन होके अपना को जब ज़रूरत पड़ता है उस समय आपको काम में लेना है। सेकेंडली मैं ये रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, फर्स्ट एड ट्रेनर जो भी होगा ही इज़ नॉट ए डॉक्टर। तो ये एक बेसिक थिंग आपको सबको याद रखना है। हम लोग फर्स्ट एड जो देते हैं किसी को भी इंजर्ड पर्सन को, इट विल गिव द मोरल सपोर्ट टू दी विक्टिम या कैजुअल जो भी है उसको, वो एक मोरल सपोर्ट मिलेगा जब तक आपका प्रोफेशनल डॉक्टर्स वगैरह जो भी है उनका असिस्टेंस मिलेगा जो विक्टिम को या कैजुअलिटी को, या नहीं तो हम लोग जो विक्टिम को उसको ले जाने से पहले। इसमें आपको विक्टिम को हैंडल कैसे करना है वो भी सिखाया जाएगा। उसमें सुपाइन कंडीशन में आपको विक्टिम को लेके जाना है। किसी एक आदमी का तो हाथ टूट गया, अभी जैसे बनर्जी साहब ने भी बताया, सेम एग्जांपल हमारे पास भी थे। किसी एक आदमी का हाथ टूट गया था, उसको रिहैंडलिंग करते समय, उसको शिफ्टिंग हॉस्पिटल शिफ्टिंग करते समय गलत तरीका अपनाया और जाने के बाद पता चला कि जो हेयरलाइन फ्रैक्चर हुआ था वो एडवर्स इफेक्ट होकर उसको एम्पुटेशन करना ही पड़ा। सेम एग्जांपल ऐसा ही था हमारे पास। सो ये सब चीज़ ध्यान में रख के किस वे में आपका ट्रेनिंग होना चाहिए, इसीलिए सेंट जॉन एम्बुलेंस को चूज़ किया गया और किस तरह का पीपल को ये ट्रेनिंग होना चाहिए। तो कुछ सिलेक्टेड पर्सन्स को ही अपना माइंड्स में जो भी सिलेक्टेड पर्सन्स को ही एक करके उनको ट्रेनिंग दिया जा रहा है। सो मैं ये ट्रेनिंग का फ़ायदा सभी उठाएं, अच्छा तरीक़ा से सीखें। मैं बाकी माइंड मैनेजमेंट हु आर प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर फ्रॉम द सिंधुदुर्ग अदर पार्ट ऑफ सिंधुदुर्ग डिस्ट्रिक्ट, रत्नागिरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट, उन लोगों से भी मैं ये रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ ज़्यादा आदमी आप इसमें ट्रेनिंग में इन्वॉल्व करें और इसका सेम कंटिन्यूशन आपके वहाँ पे भी मतलब चालू कर दीजिए। इन सब के साथ में मैं ये सब अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया हुआ मैनेजमेंट ऑफ गोगटे मिनरल्स को और डॉक्टर फ्रॉम द सेंट जॉन एम्बुलेंस सभी को मैं मेरा धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
जनरल मॅनेजर नारायण प्रसाद यांनी आभार मानले तर सुजय तेली यांनी सूत्रसंचालन केलं। यावेळी डीजी MBA स्किल फोमेंतोचे वरिष्ठ जनरल मॅनेजर कर्नल AK शर्मा, मायनिंग मॅनेजर श्रीनिवास राव हे उपस्थित होते।
कोकणातल्या ताज्या घडामोडी सर्वप्रथम पाहण्यासाठी सबस्क्राईब करा कोकणचं महाचॅनल सिंधुदुर्ग लाईव्ह YouTube चॅनल आणि ताज्या घडामोडी पाहण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा।